CROX stock appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. The shares are up 70% over the past 12 months. That compares with Nike's 4% decline and the S&P 500 7% drop over the same period. Annual sales rose 54% to $3.5 billion last year when operating profits were $900 million. This was driven in part by the acquisition of Hey Dude, an up-and-coming brand of loafers. But sales of Crocs branded products also grew at a brisk pace, nearly a fifth to $2.6 billion. The group said it anticipated another record year of growth this year, 2023. For Crocs to keep the spring in its step, it needs the ugly shoe trend to continue. Crocs also needs to rein in expenses and pay down debt. Net borrowings stood at $2.3 billion at the end of 2022, compared with $771.4 million in 2021 as a result of Hey Dude's deal. The $136 million in interest expense Crocs paid last year contributed to the 25% drop in net income. Crocs is aiming to reduce gross leverage, currently at 2.25 times to under 2 times by the second half of this year, 2023. So yes, the stock appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. As a matter of fact, the trend is a bullish one. You can see if going by the underlying trend of the 200-day moving average, or going by the 200-day moving average, which is upward sloping, and then indeed all the other moving averages as well. So yes, it appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend, and it's also outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum is also strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic scale is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing CROX stock and driving the price higher. The unbalanced vol indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So yes, this is the one-day chart, the daily chart for CROX stock. So currently it closed this last trading session at let's get that price. It closed at $134.84, and we have a downward projection on this daily chart of 130.95. After that we have 122.96, but the most extreme upward projection is 151.99 for CROX stock. So it looks like an interesting stock, and I bet it is there's a good chance it will continue to do well. We're seeing that it is mostly stocks like the small cap stocks. Is it a small cap stock? Let's see. It's a mid cap stock, mid to small cap stocks that are actually driving the S&P 500. So keep this stock in your focus and see what you make of it. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.